Go ahead and put the stem in like that, a little further, right about there, past that line. Okay, and now you just tighten this top nut here with your hands to make it kind of stay in that position. You'll feel it tighten up. Now you take your crescent wrench and you just tighten that up. Just keep tightening it until it firms up. That's good. Okay, and now let's go over to the other nut and tighten it right here. Take your Allen wrench and your crescent wrench and just tighten those up as firmly as you can. Okay, there you have it. Handlebars on the bike. Next, we just put on the grips, and you can put your stickers on, and then you're done.